how to change vehicle type in Waze. Let's get started. Open the Waze app and tap the three line at top left corner and go to settings. From the settings, scroll down and tap navigation. From the menu, you will see vehicle details or vehicle type. Tap on it. Here you will see the option for your vehicle type: private, taxi, or motorcycle. Tap the one that matches your vehicle. Your Waze car icon on the map will update automatically to match the selected type. Choosing the correct vehicle type helps Waze calculate the most accurate route and estimated arrival time. For motorcycle, Waze may suggest smaller street or shorter route that cars cannot take. Once done, simply go back to the map screen. Your selected vehicle type is now active on navigation. And that's it. Customize your ride and navigate smarter with Waze. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.